Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove your old Insta story from your highlight in your profile. So here, what you need to do is just open your Instagram and then go to your profile. Then select the highlight that you want to remove its story. For example, I'm going to delete from here. So just wrong press on the highlight and click on the edit highlight. Okay, so these are the stories that's on my highlight, the one that I chose here. So to remove it, just uncheck this blue circle. For example, let's uncheck this, and after that just click on done. Then the story will be deleted and the highlight will be updated. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.